Hey, look at me.
Ryan, you're leaving.
Look at me.
Why?
Look at me. I can't even see, it's too
Why
dark.
are you so close?
I'm trying to take a video of you, but I can't see you at all.
Because I'm black.
Yeah, you actually are right now. Say hi. Hi.
To who?
To me when I'm sad.
Hello. Hey guys. Hey guys' boyfriend.
Oh. Say hi, Ashley. Hey. Say bye.
Goodbye.